Yep, guys, Sanbonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a recap buffet of what happened this past week. International CAF Championship and CAF Federation buffet. As you know, or as expected, Sundowns won against the Remo Stars 5-1. Trish, Orlando Pirates suffered a heavy defeat. This was the first time this season Orlando Pirates losing by 3 goals to nil, Buffett. The last time Orlando Pirates lost by 3 goals to nil, I think they were playing against the Sundowns. I don't remember when or which season, but the last time Pirates lost three, it was Sundowns who was giving them the beating of their life. Stellenbosch FC drew 0-0 against Augusto Guinea. Simba and Kaizer Chiefs also play not. So Bafetu Sundowns are already in the group stages by looking at the results. Pirates Bafetu is there. Why Pirates? I'm worried about Pirates Bafetu. It will be hard for Pirates to score 4 goals and not to concede. It will be hard. It will be hard. Yeah, 2 goals Pirates in a quarter, you win a 2-0. But 3-0 CMA penalty. 4-0 I doubt, Buffett. I doubt. 4-0 I doubt. For Pirates to go to advance, they must score 4 goals without conceding. Stellenbosch naso sine-advantage same as Kaizer Chiefs, advantage or disadvantage, because if the team that's playing against the Steadies can score 2 goals, it's another thing nakhona. If Simba can score 2 goals against Kaizer Chiefs, it will be hard for Kaizer Chiefs to overcome the scoreline, my friend. So 4 South African teams were participating in CAF this weekend. Only one managed to come back with a win. And as expected, Melody Sundowns were failed. Two Orlando Pirates, Stellenbosch, Kaizer Chiefs all failed to come back with maximum points or maximum score lines. Danko.